Here's how to start promoting Clickbank products without the need for a website. Plus, this method is 100% free. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abdel from the Entrepreneur Wealth channel, where I post content about affiliate marketing, but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So in today's video, guys, we're going to talk about how to start promoting Clickbank without the need for a website or a blog or a landing page. Basically, how you can just choose a product to promote and start driving traffic and start getting sales, right? And there are different ways to go about doing this. So to get started, obviously, step one is you need a product to promote. Okay, you need a product to start promoting as an affiliate. And there are a ton of different websites that you can go to find products that you can promote as an affiliate. For example, there's obviously Clickbank, which is most probably one of the most popular ones out there. There's Digistore24, which is also very, very popular. There's another one called JVZoo, which is also popular amongst affiliates out there. And there's also Peerfly. This is more of a CPA marketing affiliate network site. CPA stands for cost per action, but it's basically affiliate marketing as well. So there are different websites out there that you can go to find products that you want to promote. You can even go on Google and simply type affiliate programs for whatever niche you are into, and you are definitely going to find products to promote out there. For example, if you go on Clickbank and you simply go to their marketplace, and where it says find products, you leave the search bar empty and just click on the search button. You will be presented with a bunch of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. Usually those products shown to you here are some of the best products on the marketplace out there. Products that are selling very well at the moment. You can rank the results by gravity. And basically gravity, what is gravity? It's basically a measure of how popular the product is amongst affiliate. The higher the number, it means the higher the number of affiliates making money from that product. So if a product has a gravity score of, let's say, for example, for this product, gravity score of 1200, it means that there are 1200 affiliates out there making money promoting this particular product. So this means that this product is very popular and is selling very, very well. But when the gravity score is that high, it also means that there are a ton of competition and it might not be a good idea to promote such a product. But at the same time, you don't want to promote a product that have a low gravity score, like a product that has a gravity score of 5 or 10 or 15. This is very low and most probably the product is not very highly converting. Ideally, you should go for a gravity of above, I would say 30 or 40. Then you know it's a fairly converting product. Something else you want to look at is the average sales. So you want to know how much money you would make per sale on average. 146 is clearly a good amount of money to make. And you don't want to go for a product where you would make like 5 or 10 bucks. Obviously that is not enough, especially if you're doing paid traffic. So ideally you want to pick a product where you know you can make a nice average sale every time you promote that product. Something else you want to look at is also the affiliate page. You want to see if the products that you want to promote has an affiliate page. And basically what the affiliate page is, it's a page that the seller has created where he's providing you with a ton of resources for you to use as an affiliate. For example, he might provide you with pictures to use, pictures about his product, banners, email swipes. He might provide you with information about who are the ideal customers for his products. Maybe he has a product that sells mostly to women. 80% of the customers are women. The ideal range might be between 30 to 60. So those kind of information can be very useful if you're doing paid advertising, for example. So you want to look for products where ideally the seller has provided you with an affiliate page where you can get those kinds of information. This is not a must, but it can really help if you go for one of those kinds of products. On the left side here, you can also find there's different niches that you can go into and find products to promote. There's the cooking, food and wine niche. There's the e-business and e-marketing niche. There's like the health and fitness niche where you can find your diets and weight loss products, mental health, nutrition, yoga. So you can also go through some of those categories and find a product in your specific niche. Guys, I do have another video where I go into more detail on how to pick the right Clickbank product, and I will leave a link in the description. Don't forget to check it out after this video. Once you've picked a product, step 2 is normally to build a landing page, a website or a blog. But we are going to skip that step because, as you remember, the title of this video is to promote Clickbank products without a website. So we'll go directly to step 3, which is to drive traffic. So when it comes to traffic, there's really two different kinds of traffic out there. You got paid traffic and free traffic. If you go with paid traffic, obviously you can get results very fast, very quickly. But if you go with paid traffic, it will require you to spend some money, and also you will need to build a landing page or a website, because a lot of those websites that provide you with paid advertising opportunities, they don't like it when you send their traffic directly to affiliate offers. They will either take your ads down or reject your ads. So if you're going to go with the paid advertising route, you will need to build a landing page or a website. But also, most importantly, it will cost you a little bit of money at first. So if you don't have the budget for it, obviously the next choice is free traffic. With free traffic, on the other hand, you can get away with not building a landing page or a website. And there are a ton of different websites out there that you can generate free traffic for Clickbank. You've got obviously Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, you've got YouTube. So there's a ton of social media websites out there that you can go for and generate traffic for your Clickbank products, because a lot of those social media websites get a ton of traffic every single month. However, the one platform I wanted to talk about in this video is one that kind of new. Okay, maybe not that new. It's been around for like 2 years now, but a lot of people are using it to generate Clickbank income. And I want to show you how they're doing it. And this platform in particular is TikTok. I'm sure you've heard about it, unless you've been living under a rock for the last 2-3 years. TikTok has been gaining a lot of traction over the last few years. So much so that YouTube and Instagram have released new features to try and compete with TikTok. Instagram released their Instagram Reels, which is pretty much the same thing as TikTok, in an attempt to try and compete with them. YouTube released their YouTube Short feature. So despite all of this, TikTok is still very much growing at a fast pace, and it gets a ton of traffic every single month. So how can you make money promoting Clickbank products on TikTok? If we look at how some people are promoting Clickbank on TikTok, you will see that, for example, this page here, Woodworking Fun, all they do is curate content about woodworking. Obviously, none of those content is their own. They are curating those content either from other TikTok pages or from people from other platforms. But basically, they're just creating content on here, and then they're redirecting that traffic to their affiliate offer. If we click on the link here, this is a Linktree link. This is not a website or a landing page. This is just a free tool, a free page that way you can have all your other links in there. But if you check the first link here, make 16,000 projects with step-by-step. This is a Clickbank offer. There's a product on Clickbank called Ted's Woodworking, and this is basically this particular product. They are promoting Clickbank by basically on TikTok, and all they do, they're curating content off of other platforms or off of other TikTok accounts. Obviously, if you're going to do this, don't forget to always give credit to the original poster. You don't want to get into trouble by simply stealing other people's content. If you're going to repost them, give them credit for it. But basically, you could do something similar to what he's doing, and he's been able to grow his followers count to almost 52,000 followers, and clearly this is working very well for him. If you click on one of his posts, you will see that his last post was like 1 day ago. He's got another one here like 1 hour ago. So he's actively posting content, and most probably it's because he's making money doing this. Another example is this TikTok account here, Health Guide. Basically what they do is they post content about health and weight loss, and it's basically just a background of the sky and a picture here, as you can see. Nothing too fancy. And in the link here, you will see they have like the smoothie diet. This is a diet that is being sold on Clickbank. This is a Clickbank product as well. And they've grown to almost 250,000 followers doing this. And all they do is they just post pictures of, health related content. And they have like 60,000 views, 40,000 views, 30,000 views. It's really an easy way to grow on TikTok, because there's not much effort being put in creating those type of content, and they're getting a ton of views doing this. Another example is this channel here, Wealth Assistant, and basically they do similar things to the previous account that I just showed you. They just post pictures. Now I'm going to show you where they are finding those pictures. They are not creating those pictures. There's somebody who's selling them those pictures, and they just repost it online. I'm going to show you in a minute where they're finding this. But it's really interesting how they just post this on TikTok, and as you can see, they're able to generate thousands of views, like 61,000, 28,000 views, 150,000 views. So this is really interesting. Like they've grown to over 77,000 followers. Now they don't have a link in here, but they would definitely be making money if they had like a Clickbank product in their bio up here. So where are those people really finding this content? I showed you one account where they're creating content from other platforms or other TikTok account, but the last two that I showed you, they're basically getting this content on Fiverr. If you go on Fiverr and you type in, let's say, health Instagram post, you'll find that there are people selling Instagram posts, like 250, 300 Instagram posts for like say $5, $10, which is really cheap. And instead of posting this on Instagram, what they are doing is they're posting this on TikTok, and it clearly works as well. It's really not that expensive. For $5, you get like 300 fitness infographics Instagram posts, which is really insane. And there's other niches as well. For example, there's the business niche as well, where you can find a ton of different posts in the business niche. Look at this one, 2,500 business infographics, which is insane, for only $5. 2,000 posts here. This one is a bit more expensive, but still very affordable in my opinion. This is how you can find a lot of content already made for you. You don't have to create anything, you just have to repost them on social media. And a lot of those people are generating a ton of traffic doing this, and they're directing this traffic to their Clickbank affiliate offer. So there you go, guys. This was one specific way on how you could promote Clickbank products without a website. As I've said, there are a ton of different ways you can do affiliate marketing. There are a ton of different ways you can promote Clickbank products, but this was one of the different ways that you can do it using TikTok. If you've got some value out of this video, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I always ask you to do that. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.